Algaecide works seamlessly with most of your pool treatment products, efficiently operating in both acidic and alkaline pH settings. It is the least concentrated algaecide in the Water Trends algae treatment series, containing 10% of the active ingredient. For a newly cleaned and filled pool, use up to 37 fluid ounces of algaecide per 5,000 gallons of water. Apply algaecide near the return with the filtration system on so that it can circulate evenly throughout your pool. Allow the water to circulate for at least 8 hours. For the most effective results, circulate the water for 12 hours. We recommend waiting at least 30 minutes after applying algaecide before entering the pool. Please keep in mind that everyone's sensitivity is different. Keep pesky algae from invading your pool with algaecide. If you have any questions about treating and preventing algae, contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.